Oh, this whole car smells like you, especially up there in the front seat. It's almost like I can still see you there. Oh, finally, and here I go. Where'd my human go? Oh, where are they? Oh, no, wait, wait, what's this? Oh, they must have touched it recently. I can smell their fingerprints. But, wait, what's that sound? Oh, I better go find them. Maybe I can smell them. Oh, there's the footprints. They've been here recently. Is that her car? Oh, it is. She must be close.